students feel a lot of uncertainty. The current students in first year, second year, third year are always worried about placements and future. I have not seen a student, engineering student, who has graduated and is empty for more than 3 months. Engineering is that kind of curriculum.
Very much proud that I'm a student of Vishwaniketan.
In my classes, various classes in my 12th grade, and Dr. Inamdar sir came there and gave us a lecture about how Vishwaniketan works and what's the project-based learning and how the things he's planning to work out for the program. So I was really interested, and after 12th I straight away went. I didn't apply anywhere else. I straight away went to Vishwaniketan.
Don't see engineering only as job.
मेरे हिसाब से engineers कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So keep that in mind.
There were many scenarios where I didn't knew how to start and everything, but the faculties in Vishwaniketan, they helped me a lot. So initially in the first year of itself, initially in the first year itself, many of the faculties, they were like, let's do these projects and let's start working on it and how it works. Let's check it out.
Rani sir and Khanjode sir थे, and पहले तो मैं बस एक लाइन वाला प्रेजेंटेशन लेके गया था. मेरी शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई थी कि प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना कैसा है, कैसे इन्वेस्टर को पिच करना है. All that effort took on me by ECEL of Vishwaniketan.
As rightly said by Inamdar sir, people pay for your experience.
I am an electronics and telecommunication engineer. So by that definition, I won't be able to fit in software industry, right? But VAPs in the college helped me a lot. I remember very clearly that there was a VAP for electronics, and there was some other VAPs going on for some other branches also. So there was a VAP for computer branch in machine learning. So I asked our HOD at that time that can I opt out from the VAP of EXTC and go in the VAP of computer. So that support and that the response, I still remember that the response was, you can do whatever you want and you can choose whatever VAP you want.
So instead of just running behind the jobs, I think you should develop the skill sets to get that particular job.
Participating in various cultural festivals, various events, which did boost up my confidence for pursuing this career.
The problem statement, I got spotlighted on that problem statement. As always, Inamdar sir says, find the problem statement and find the solution on it. So
There was just one thing in my mind, that I have to work for a big brand. That was it. That is how you build your CV.
No one asks you कि तुमने कितना कर लिया, क्या कर लिया. हाँ, they'll ask you कि what projects you have done, what experience you have, and that would get you definitely a job. 100% you would get a job.